My video tutorial is about getting rid of the ransomware called Rhysida. My video though is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In the video I will simply show you the negative impact of this ransomware Rhysida on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents and other data. But sadly, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Rhysida ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. So very soon users realize that this Rhysida extension has been appended to the file names, and indeed it is impossible to use the files anymore. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. In fact, this ransom note is presented in the form of PDF file, but for some reasons I cannot open it. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file recovery. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This doesn't guarantee the file restoration. So don't waste the money, don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. So go to this website combocleaner.com. Use this special green download Combo Cleaner button in order to download Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Then after the program is successfully downloaded and installed, start researching the computer with its help. Click on Start Scan button. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. And then the scanning will of course begin, and the scanning duration depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. Its anti-ransomware feature helps to effectively remove this ransomware to protect your files in the future, but it does not decrypt files. Keep this information in mind. You may always upgrade to the premium license, and you may always request the fully functional free trial to fully evaluate the features of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. So at the end of the scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Combo Cleaner detects this particular ransomware. It helps to detect all other types of threats which could be on your computer, including adware, browser hijackers, fake system optimization tools, and of course any other types of malware. So speaking about file recovery, you may find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your files.